everyone! Are you feeling lemony fresh? Because I am. Today we're gonna make a lemon lime citrus pie, but instead of making it in a pie, we're gonna bake them in little individual mason jars, so it'll be so cute. And then you can just have one for yourself and it'll be adorable. So the first thing we wanna do is a graham cracker crust. So in here I have 1/3 of a cup of graham cracker crumbs. I've got 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. And then about 1.5 tablespoons of melted butter. And we just want to toss together the cinnamon and sugar and graham crackers just to get them mixed up first. Then dump your butter in. And then we just stir this guy together. Then once it's all stirred, we'll spoon it into the mason jars and press them down. Well, it'll take a minute. So all of our graham crackers are all mixed up here. So I'm just gonna be making six of these 1/2 cup sized mason jars. So I'm just gonna evenly spoon it into those. Doesn't matter too much if they have the exact amount, just because as long as everyone gets a nibble, you're good, right? Awesome, so that looks pretty good. Use it all up. And then we're just gonna lightly press this in with our fingers, just so it doesn't come up when we pour our other batter in. So you can just take your fingers and just press it down a little bit, like so. So I'll do that for all of them, and then I'm just gonna place them onto a baking tray just so it's easier for me to move around, and we'll get started on the filling. All right, now for our filling. So in here I have 3 egg yolks, the zest of 1 lemon, or you could do a lime or an orange would be good. Then I'm gonna add just a pinch of salt. I've got 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Just make sure you scrape this out because a lot of it gets stuck in the can. Oh, yum. Perfect. And then I have 1/2 cup of lemon and lime juice. So it's about 1/4 lemon, 1/4 lime. You could do it all lemon, you could do it all lime. And then I'm just putting it through a strainer so I catch all the seeds in there. Lovely. So I'm just gonna whisk this together until it's combined, and then I'm gonna pour it into our molds we filled earlier. So our batter is all ready to go here. I just stirred it together until it's combined. And then we're gonna pour it into our molds as evenly as we can. And as cleanly as we can. So all of our batter is into 6 little mason jars. I'm gonna pop them into a preheated 350-degree oven for about 10 minutes. We want them to have a firm jiggle, and then we'll let them cool, and they need to sit for a few hours in the fridge. It's been 10 minutes and our little citrus pies are all ready to go. So we're looking for a firm jiggle. Kind of hard to tell, they're really hot. But if you tap it, it should jiggle a little bit, but still look pretty firm. Weird thing. More of an eyeball, but these are all ready to go. So I'm gonna let them cool at room temperature for probably half an hour, and then I'll pop them in the fridge for at least 2 hours. So our little citrus pie mason jars have all set up now, and they're chilled. And I've whipped up here about 1/2 cup of whipping cream with 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar. Just do it to taste, whatever you like. If you like it sweeter, add a little more. If you don't, put in less. It's easy peasy, whatever you want. So the last thing I'm gonna do, you could just eat this as is, but I'm just gonna put a little dollop of whipped cream on top. If you wanna pipe it with a rosette or something, that would look beautiful too. But otherwise, how cute is this? I'm gonna go enjoy one of these on my deck because we have this beautiful summer weather today, and now I have a summery dessert to eat along with it. But you can keep these in the fridge for a couple of days if you want to prepare them ahead of time for once you can have a dinner party again, which hopefully will be soon. Amazing. Well, have a great day, you guys. I'll see you tomorrow.